Hello everyone, welcome to you on my channel Think Future Onwards. The topic today selected is Analyze Data Idea Tool and Quick Analysis Tool. The Quick Analysis Tool video I have made already, you can see in my video number 10. Today we are going to learn about the Analyze Data Idea Tool. These both are similar to each other, but they are not same. A little difference is there. I will show you that one, how it will work and how you can save your time. This tool will definitely help you in quick analysis and its built-in feature. So many professionals don't know about this feature. So we are going to start it now. I will show you my data. See, you can see here my data. And here I have highlighted the tools. Just go home and click Analyze Data. I'm going to click it. See, it is opening one pop-up and it is showing me the data here, that what type of data I have it here. You can see it is giving me some ideas, that what are the ideas. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the settings, and if I want to make some changes, I can select the data as per my table, what I want to exclude and what I want to include in. So for example, I don't want to include the city, I can uncheck and it will not be there. I'm going to have all the data, and in the sum values, you can take the average or sum. Any of them you can select and you can make the analysis. Now I'm going to update it and it will give me some ideas about my, so it is showing me 33 ideas. You can see it, show all 33 ideas. I can see that one, what are the ideas? See, it is creating for me different types of charts, pivot tables, and analysis, which I'm looking for. See here now. And it's very simple. If you need any of them, just click insert pivot and it will create for you the pivot table. Any of them, just click on the insert. It will be there for you. See, for example, now I'm looking for this one. It will be there. I'm looking for this one. It's a procurement method based on the city analysis. It is giving me that one. So it's very handy tool. So this is the one. And if you will click here, it will hide and it can show you that one as well. And if you want to close, just click it here and close the tab. Now I will give you a little small brief over the quick analysis tool. See here, I selected my data. This will show some of the values on your tables on the right side or the downward. For example, just I'm clicking it Control Q, or on here, this tab, it is showing me the data bars. See, it will reflect on your table as well. See, icons, parallel, upwards, downwards, everything it is showing here. You can see it. I can see the charts as well. If I don't want these charts, I can put more charts here. Totals. If you will find this blue down, it will give you the total downwards at the end of the table. And if it is on the right side you need, you can come just right side of the table and you can see here, it is giving you on the right side percentage wise. Okay. I'm going to do the total as well as a sum downwards as well. Okay. And if I need spark lines, I can create the spark lines as well. See here, it is giving me the spark lines as well, that how my trends are there for with the data. It starts smooth, goes up, come down, and now it's straight line. So this is a very handy tool. If you want, you can use it. And I think so you will like this tool. It will definitely save your time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And before leaving, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get updates when we put the new videos. Thank you very much.